Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, guys, and today I'm specifically going to talk about now you have prepared yourself well with algorithmic questions. Now you are in the final end of an interview, yes, where you want to actually find good companies who can give you an interview. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how do you actually approach these companies, and how do you find them, and how do you apply to these guys so they can actually reach out to you and they can give you a first round of interview, which can be quadruped or can be a phone of one. Yes. Now let me go to the list here. Now I have my notes here. Today I will give you 5 ways, yes, which you can apply to your own interview process and use them, and you will get so many interviews. So first one, job boards. Yes. Specifically, I only use LinkedIn, and I can just go there, go to the job sections and search who is looking for the hiring, who is hiring right now, and it will give you so many different suggestions based on your profile. So I have seen that it works very well, and maybe in first week it wouldn't work, but if you go there consistently and you keep applying to different jobs, then the algorithm identifies that you are actively looking for the opportunities, and it will pair you with the good companies. And once you find out them, and you can just go to the LinkedIn, and from there you can just do an apply now. So do that. It really works. It doesn't work all the time, but you can get few companies to just look at your profile and someone will reach out to you. And next one is direct website. This is really good, guys. Many companies have careers page on their websites. You just go there, there will be list of openings there, and pick anyone you like. And this really works. I'm telling you this from the experience. I have applied for more than 60 different companies, really good tech companies. It includes Amazon, Facebook, Google, and newer IPOs such as Compass, Affirm, SoFi, all of them. And I have actually started ball rolling with all of these interviewers. So they actually reach out to me, they say hi and hello, they get into the phone call with me, HR person calls me, and then we start following for the different interviews. Yes. So do that. Go to the direct websites and apply there. What is the third one? Third one is really the efficient one. You find the referral. So how do you do this? Either you have a really good network and you have friends working at these companies, you just call them and they will refer you. And I think this is the best approach. If you have those friends, yes, don't hesitate to just call them. Even though you just have a link on your LinkedIn profile somewhere, they are in your network, try to personally message them, and you can actually find someone to refer you. Because see, guys, they have really good incentives here. This good tech companies which I'm talking about, they actually give them $10,000 bonus if you actually qualify for the interview and you actually join the company. $10,000 is really good money. And any unknown people, even if you don't know him, if you just messaged him through the LinkedIn profile, and if he's in your network, they'll refer you because they'll earn a lot of good money if you finally join the company. So do that. Another thing right now very famous for finding referral is a Blind. There is an app called blind.com, and this is a social network for all the professional employees. So you can actually use this Blind network to register your own email address through your corporate email address, not your personal email address. So they will send you a verification email on your corporate email account, and then this is how they verify whether you work for such and such company. So over there are many different employees using the pseudonyms, yes, and you can just post there, and there will be many people over there help you out with giving you a referral, because these companies give you $10,000 if you actually join their companies. So that's the third way. Fourth way, which really helped me out, was actually I stumbled upon this. I was actually preparing with two of my friends. So we were three group, we were three people, and we were applying to the interviews for different companies. And this is what we did: we pick companies, and then we apply them. And what happens, maybe X company reaches out to me, and he never reaches out to two other guys. So this is what we did: we talked to the HR, we qualify for the first hacker rank round, because now you are actually qualified interviewee, because now you have actually crossed the first line. Yes, you have cleared the first line. If you do that, then your word is actually valuable. So once you do that, you can refer your two friends, and they'll be in the loop. They'll get the quadruped link, or they'll get the phone interview, because a person who has actually crossed the very first line when it comes to interview process, it's an opinion matters, because he has demonstrated that he is a skilled resource. So if he gives you a referral, then there is something there, and those people will reach out to those your friends. And this has helped me a lot, guys. There are so many companies, which I wanted to apply for, and none of them reached me out. But my two friends, they have green cards. They're in the process of having a green card, and they found out so many companies. And once they crossed the first line, they referred me. And this is the feedback loop we went through it, and we got so many companies who were actually reaching out to us. So this is the fourth one: make a group of friends, prepare together, and then all of you should apply together with all the same companies. So one of you will get the interview from one of them, and another one will get the interview from someone. It's a totally random process. There is a right now, it's a broken process. I have faced this. A discovery for an employee, or the people who is seeking for the job, is completely broken. Discovery of a person who is seeking for the job for this tech companies is completely broken. You apply to so many companies, no one will actually reach out to you, because your resume just got lost somewhere. So do that. The fifth and the last one is, you send an email to them. I mean, find out a recruiter. Maybe if it's a small company, find out who is CTO, who is CEO. You just directly drop them an email. You just cold email them. And the way I do it is, I created my own portfolio website. Fantastic portfolio websites. It has a good and rich UI. It scales to all the devices, mobile devices, tablets, and full desktop devices. So I create a personal email. It's an abstraction of my features. I write it down in my email, and then I just send the name of the person, and I send email to all these guys. Do you know how do you find out the emails of these persons? Go to LinkedIn, and in LinkedIn you can find the email address of the person over there. Pick that email address, start sending them an email. If you have crafted really good email, these cold emails really work. If you have been following really good personalities on the YouTube who are very well known in the tech businesses, they might be entrepreneur, they might be venture fund, or they might be working for the hedge funds. You listen to their podcast, and the very single thing they emphasizes on it, they read cold emails, and they say, we have found out our best employees, our best companies to invest into, yes, through the cold emails. So people do read this, and try to make a really a good portfolio websites. Yes, lay down 4 points. Yes, why do they choose you, and why are you looking for the opportunities now? What is special about you? What are your recent qualification, or what are your side projects, or what are your GitHub repo? Put all these things down in your email address, and shoot an email to each and every day of this person. I definitely I can 100% assure you that so many people will reach out to you with an offers. Not an offers, but so many people will actually reach out to you for an interview. So I think these are the 5 ways you can adapt it to it if you are in a current job market, because so many companies are hiring good and talented people. And if you do these 5 things, it will show you that you are dedicated enough to find these opportunities. Yes. So this was today's video, guys, and I hope that you like this. And if you are in a job market right now, I hope that you implement all these 5 techniques to find a good companies. And if you like this video, hit that like button. You have to smash it. You have to destroy the like button, and you have to subscribe. If you like this content, I will keep writing and I will keep talking about these issues. If I will keep informing you about these good techniques which I have been implementing on my life. And I'll see you with brand new video tomorrow.